Hey there, welcome back to our channel where we discuss all things technology. Today, we're going to be talking about Python and how it's being used for mobile app development. So, if you're a programmer or a tech enthusiast, stick around as we take a deep dive into this topic. Mobile app development has become one of the fastest growing industries in recent years, and for good reason. With over 3.8 billion smartphone users worldwide, there's a huge market for mobile apps. But what programming language is the best for mobile app development? You might be surprised to know that Python, a language originally designed for desktop applications, is becoming increasingly popular in the mobile app development industry. So, why use Python for mobile app development? Firstly, Python is a high-level language that is easy to learn, making it a great choice for beginners. It's also versatile and can be used for a wide range of applications, including web development, data analysis, and machine learning. Another advantage of Python is that it's cross-platform, which means that you can write code once and run it on multiple operating systems. This saves developers a lot of time and effort. Now, let's talk about some of the specific ways in which Python is being used for mobile app development. One of the most popular ways is through the use of frameworks, such as Kivy, Beware, and PyMob. These frameworks allow developers to create apps for both iOS and Android using Python. They also provide a range of features and tools that make it easier to develop and test apps. Another way in which Python is being used for mobile app development is through the use of tools such as Buildozer, which allows developers to package Python apps for distribution on mobile platforms. This is particularly useful for creating standalone apps that don't require an internet connection or a web server. So, what are the benefits of using Python for mobile app development? Firstly, Python is a high-level language, which means that it's easier to read and write than lower-level languages such as C or C++. This makes it easier for developers to write clean, concise code that is easier to maintain. Secondly, Python is a very powerful language that can handle complex tasks, such as data processing and machine learning. This makes it ideal for developing mobile apps that require advanced functionality, such as image recognition, natural language processing, or augmented reality. Finally, Python is a language that has a large and active community of developers, which means that there is a wealth of resources and support available. This makes it easier for developers to learn the language, troubleshoot problems, and stay up to date with the latest developments in the industry. Thanks for watching, and we'll see you in the next video.